Welcome to Flinders University, one of Australia's most beautiful and forward-thinking institutions. Located just 12 kilometers south of Adelaide's city centre, the main campus at Bedford Park sits atop a hill, offering stunning panoramic views of the coastline, hills, and suburbs. Established in 1966, Flinders has grown into a world-class university that champions innovation, inclusion, and academic excellence. The campus is surrounded by native bushland, giving it a peaceful and natural feel, a perfect environment for learning and research. Walk through its vibrant central plaza, and you'll find a blend of cutting-edge facilities and relaxed communal spaces. The Student Hub is the heartbeat of campus life, a modern space filled with cafes, study lounges, tech zones, and collaboration hubs, all designed to foster connection and creativity. Flinders is also home to some of the country's most advanced research centers. Whether it's in health, engineering, education, or social science, Flinders has a proud tradition of producing impactful research that shapes the world. And when it's time to unwind, students can enjoy the walking trails, lake views, and even grab a quiet coffee while watching the sunset over the coastline. The university also offers a strong support system for international students, with multicultural services and dedicated housing options close to campus. Another standout is the Tonsley Innovation District, just a short shuttle ride away. This site brings together industry, startups, and university researchers in one of the most dynamic collaborative environments in South Australia. From academic excellence to social connection and natural beauty, Flinders offers a unique balance that few universities can match. Whether you're here to study, teach, or collaborate, Flinders welcomes you with open arms. Thank you for joining this aerial tour of Flinders University. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ozitraveler for more inspiring destinations and educational insights from around the world.